You don't know what you do to me. See, heavy and misery.
Welcome to Squat Rex. Louis Simmons changed the face of powerlifting when he introduced conjugate periodization. Tonight we're going to talk about Westside basics. Okay, here we go. Here are the basics of Westside, understanding the basic template. In Westside there are two kinds of training sessions. There's the maximum effort training session and there's the dynamic effort training session. In your maximum effort training sessions, you're going to choose one exercise and you're going to work at that exercise doing a warm-up, gradually building yourself up to a 1 to 3 rep maximum. For your squat workout, you will do a kind of good morning or a squat variation or a deadlift variation. Now some of the good morning variations might include good mornings with cambered bars, meaning bars with a bend in them, or it might be good mornings off of chains or off of pins. For the squat, you might do box squats of various heights, for example, low box squats. You might do squats with a cambered bar, buffalo bar. You might do good morning squats. Deadlift variation, same thing. You might do platform deadlifts. You might do banded deadlifts. Any of those would be deadlift variations that you might do. For your bench workout, you'll do things like board press, floor press, or pin presses. Your dynamic effort workout is going to consist of one exercise, doing numerous sets, 8 to 12 sets, 2 to 3 reps with a lighter weight, 50 to 60% of your 1 rep maximum. If you are doing your squat exercise, which is going to be parallel box squats, which may be with bands or without bands, you're going to do sets of 2 reps. For your bench press workout, you're going to be doing bench press with various grips, and you will vary those throughout the workout. And you'll do 8 to 12 sets of 3 reps, again with 50 to 60% of your maximum. For your maximum effort workout, the maximum effort exercise, the purpose of that is to practice straining through a lift. You're practicing your slow gear here. You're working up to a max single, double, or triple. Today for max effort work, I'm working on good mornings, plain old good mornings. Westside, in Dave Tate's words, lives and dies by good mornings. It's a great exercise for squatting and for deadlifting. You'll want to start with the bar and then gradually work your way up. You want to make sure that your form is consistent throughout as you work up to a maximum effort. You'll probably want to stick with low reps and higher number of sets to work your way up. If you are uncomfortable moving up in weight, then you probably want to do a few more sets of lower reps rather than fewer sets of high reps. Right now I'm at 225, I'll do a set with this, then I'll work up to 315, then we'll see where we're at and maybe try a single at a weight above that. But probably 315 will be as high as I go. wasn't real happy with that set with 315. I was squatting the weight up a little bit too much. That's okay if you want to let your form go a little bit loose, but I'm going to kick it back down to 295. Try for a good double. Try not to squat the weight. Well, that's probably about as good as I'm going to do tonight. 295 for a double. I haven't really been doing much squatting lately. Flexibility is a little bit, and my strength is a little bit low right now. If I were to continue with this as my max effort exercise, I'd probably use it for another week or two, trying to up my weights each successive week. And then after about 2 or 3 weeks of using this as my max effort exercise, I would switch to something else. Maybe something like a low box squat, maybe some kind of deadlift, or maybe a different kind of good morning.